I think my cart broke. Oh no! Back for another bonus race. This time we're doing the roulette again, but this time with a cone section. So it's probably the biggest casino race that we could possibly do. They didn't give me the horn back. They let someone else have the horn, which is fine. It's just fine. Everyone else should get a chance to have the horn too. And here we go. That is quite the flag wave. Holy. Okay. 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 Too wide. Too wide. All right. You got it, Clay? You got it? Yep. You got me? All right. Now we have a cone section here. So in the roulette wheel, whoever's in first has to take that section back there that Brian just took. This is going to be preposterous. Oh my God, my back tires. Oh, the roulette wheel. All right, so now when I go into it, I'm the one who's going to have to take the cone section because I'm in first place. So now we have to go back here. All right, come on, second, that's fine. Let's go, bud. Man, this is a fun course. I wish the feature race did not end the way it did. Or I wish my night didn't end the way it did. Because it was yeah, I'm sure you'll hear about it in the intro to the main video. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch it because there's some things that happened. Ah, right. It's okay. You didn't see. You didn't see. Okay. All right. Okay. 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 We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Oh boy. The roulette wheel though is tiring. I'll say that. It is a lot more tiring than you expect. Because you are holding this turn for a while. Okay, there's Lee. Let's go. Okay. All right. We're starting to navigate. Oh my God. I hit that so good. Wait, did my cart break? I think my cart broke. Oh, there we go. I'm okay. I shut my cart off. I hit it so hard I shut my cart off. That's hilarious. Oh, that's funny. Go ahead, boys. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh my gosh, that was ridiculous. I'll tell you what, that's the first time that has ever happened. Where I hit that so hard that I shut my cart off. Oh goodness. Oh no, I got the horn behind me. I don't want to get horn. Oh no, the horn. God, I love the horn. Oh no! Jesus Christ! I'm coming in, Dave! I'm coming in! What a crazy ass race! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, goodness. Ah!